We're not there to do hum saath hai. It's a reality show, you guys.
I say F a lot and I say BC a lot.
Yeah. Anshula, this is a game. Whatever happens in this, it's a game.
मुझे ही लोग बोल रहे हैं कि नस काट ले रफ्तार भाई को कैसे निकाला.
Now what
Happened.
has unfolded now. Can't help it.
Jade, she said butchered.
Yeah.
Is that how you talk to dead people?
Hi everyone, this is Amarylisa from Midday and I have with me such beautiful people today. The butchered / eliminated unfortunately from traitors.
Shade, she said butchered.
Yeah.
Is that how you talk to dead people?
Definitely not. But you're not dead
Especially those whose
either.
funerals you've attended.
You've just attended my funeral last night, queen.
Of course not. I have a question for Anshula. So since you entered with your aunt, right, and from the start, I think from day one, from the first moment itself, everybody had this perception that okay, this is like the chachi bhanji duo that is coming in, and they are a team. ये तो एक साथ ही खेलने वाले हैं. All of them had this perception, right? So what do you have to say about it? How were you preparing to tackle that perception?
I don't know if there's a way to tackle it until something actually happens. So from the very beginning, like our entry into the palace also, they decided that they will put her and me in the same car.
Okay.
So that's when we got the inkling that chalo, they are going to be trying to play this game. Kudos to her, 100%, where from the first day onwards, she literally sat me down. She was like, Anshula, this is a game. Whatever happens in this, it's a game. So
Okay.
play it like a game, and our relationship outside is our relationship outside. Here, it's a game. And we honestly, after the, I think within the first day, we figured out that हम जब भी साथ में बात करते लोगों it really used to bother people.
Yeah.
Like it used to bother Janvi ji a lot. It used to bother a lot of people. Like, you know, why are they constantly together?
Yeah.
So we tried to take a step back and not do that.
Okay.
If we were trying to speak to each other, we would make sure that there were more people. Like Lakshmi or Elnaz would always be around, or there would be times when like Sufi would be there as well. In fact, there were moments I think in the first few episodes where you and her really bonded.
Me and her were literally like mama, and she used to feed me from her hand at the breakfast. It was epic.
So it really took that pressure away also, because
Yeah.
then at least we were not trying to play into our relationship. We were not going and having secret conversations. We were having conversations khulla in front of everyone.
Yeah.
In the house, you all were there. Like the energy between us was not. We were not trying to be like huddled together at any
No, but
given point.
that's what they did, right? They did that on purpose. They got you guys on purpose.
Of course.
They got people who probably knew
yeah,
each
each
other.
other.
So
everybody
Try
had a
and
common
create
link.
that.
Everybody
Yeah,
had a
yeah.
link. Like, you know,
They did that on purpose
Yeah,
so
yeah.
that
Ours
they
was
would
way
have
more
to
blatant
stir
because
the
it was
pot.
family, but
Yeah.
it was like they brought in people out
who were like
who had-
knew each other, would like each other,
Yeah.
wouldn't like each other. It was very
yeah.
that.
So ours was just more blatant, and they've made it even more blatant now because it helps the show great.
Correct.
But we know separately that we're like unaffected. The relationship has to remain lifelong.
They're
and
literally family.
We are
Yeah.
family. I don't come from a movie background in the traditional sense. Like I'm not an actor. I don't perceive things from a production point of view. From ये TV पे कैसे दिखेगा? I played from
Just
whatever my
organically.
brain was telling me to do, what my gut was telling me to do, what my heart was telling me to do in a way. Now what has unfolded now. Can't help it.
Sufi, I think all of y'all have had that moments where you've been teary-eyed or you're like, ghar jana hai, or you've been crying or something. But when Raftaar was eliminated, you had that breakdown, right? What was that? Tell me about
It
that.
was basically like मुझे ये था कि you know Raftaar is you know one of the biggest artists in the country music wise, and he has so much talent and so much candor that even हम जब गेम में खेल रहे थे मेरे और रफ्तार के बीच में वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग थी that हम ये पर्सनली नहीं ले रहे हैं. Like this is just a game. We like outside this was not affect her, just like she said. But it was like you know 4th episode पे जब randomly रफ्तार मुझे अटैक करना शुरू कर दिए कि मुझे तो सब पता है, तूने शील्ड ली है, तू ही ट्रेटर है, and it all started from there. It was just too overwhelming to begin with. Then after that, the next day, Urfi was like, Sufi is the traitor, इसको निकाल देते हैं. They convinced 11 people to vote for me just on a feeling. Then the day after that, me and Raftaar again fought. Then he got eliminated, and then he turned out to be an innocent. But it was like, क्या हो रहा है यार? Like क्यों हो रहा है ये सब मेरे साथ?
I think the fact that
And
you
then I
were
was just like, I
innocent.
really, you know, with the internet and the media, मेरा सबसे बड़ा दिक्कत ये रहा है कि लोगों को सैस और evil के बीच का डिफरेंस समझ नहीं आता है. लोगों को लगता है कि अगर आप सैसी हैं तो आप एक बुरे इंसान भी हैं. And that's what it invoked in me, the insecurity that I don't want to be perceived as a bad human
There's a
being.
thin line, and you didn't want to.
Yeah, I
swim
didn't
across
want,
it,
like,
yeah.
because because it's very easy to attack the person who does not have that much backing or who does not have that much media power, support, push, whatever you say in this world. So I was just like, I don't want to be villainized. I don't want to be the scapegoat that's like, इसकी वजह से रफ्तार निकला है. Which happened. मुझे ही गालियां पड़ रही हैं. मुझे ही लोग बोल रहे हैं कि नस काट ले, रफ्तार भाई को कैसे निकाला.
Unless for you, I think you were the strongest. The sharpest since day one. Since the moment you decided to, take Nikita's name
Yeah.
and get her
Yeah.
eliminated in the
Yeah.
the first
Bichara
chance you
Nikita.
got, and you hit the six, right?
Yeah.
So I think that you were the sharpest. What do you think later on went southwards, or what do you think you could have done better towards the end?
I don't think there's anything that I could have done better. I know exactly what happened, and I know that. See, this game has a lot to do with strategy. This game is strategy, right? Any wrong step you take, or the people around you take, can just change the
The whole
narrative,
thing.
right? I was trying to navigate everything all by myself at all times, and it is important to have. So, if you see the traitors abroad, most of them have 4 traitors. We started with 3 traitors, and we were left as 2 traitors only right from the beginning, right? So, the reason why there are so many traitors is that they have each other's backs, so they get far in the game. I feel like Purav did not have my back, which is why that happened. When if I had traitors in episode 7, 2 other traitors who would have had my back and said, listen, it's not Elnaz, and they would have helped remove the innocents first,
Yeah.
it would have definitely changed the game. 2 votes out of the, how many votes that I got? 5?
7, I think.
7. If they would have gone in another direction, I would have not been out, right? So it is important to have
Alliance.
good traitors with you, right? Who understand where it has to go. I feel like if me and Purav would have stuck together, we would have definitely won as the traitors. And I am 100% sure about that. I really did not mind getting eliminated. I did not mind doing things that would have made me look like I'm the traitor. I was trying to make the show interesting. I was trying to give the viewers something they can get hooked on.
You guys think about Purav's gameplay. Was he like?
I think we were all onto
Extraordinary or-
him very, very early on. It's just that none of us. He has played a very good game because he made sure that he never garnered attention.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even when we
he's like on
questioned
the
him,
table, he's there, but he's
Silent.
Yeah.
Again, it's very simple because he is that kind of a character.
So he was very good with the physical missions,
Yeah,
I
he
think,
was.
which is why, as innocents, we didn't really pay much attention because we were like,
Yeah.
at least he is doing something of use to us.
Right.
And the fact that he was always lost and confused
and he was doing good overacting.
Yeah, but it was also very underplayed
overacting,
because
yeah.
it was
Yeah,
very
yeah,
lost
yeah.
and
Because
confused.
even in the funeral episode where I was seeing, I'm like, यही लड़के ने मुझे मारा है और ये फड़फड़ा रहा है मुझसे ज्यादा.
But
He's like,
yeah,
मेरा
like-
मर्डर हो सकता है. कूद रहा है यहाँ पे. I'm like, Purav, you have killed me. I was watching it and I was screaming at him. I was like, shut up.
So yeah,
Chill out.
the difference could be like what we were discussing here, that she was playing to make it drama and entertaining for the audience, and he was
Yeah.
playing to make him
The
as
winner.
a traitor
He wanted
reach
to
the
win.
finale in that sense.
You know, the best part is that they were both not the same kind of traitors, or
Yeah,
else we wouldn't
yeah.
have even gotten that rivalry of
Rivalry,
opinion.
yeah.
And you
If
know
we
how
had
traitors
another
can be,
person
you've got a
who was like,
variation there.
yeah, if there was another person who was just yes anding to what she said, or if she was just
Yeah.
yes anding to what he said, then the whole Traitors Tower would be boring.
Right.
And
The whole
yeah.
reason production has chosen people with different personality is
Is-
to
Yeah.
create commotion. Like we are here in the show to create commotion, to argue, to fight, accuse, betray. We're not there to do hum saath hai. It's a reality
Yeah.
show, you guys. We're supposed to give you reality, personality, drama.
But I would like to wrap this conversation with one question.
Oh my
Who
God.
do you guys think will win?
Why should we give you
We
any spoilers?
can't
Yeah.
tell
We
you.
don't want spoilers,
Can I tell
we
you
want
who I
your
wish
views.
won? Can I tell you
Yes.
who I wish won?
I'm the one
Me.
who's winning.
I really wanted to win. I really think I deserve a house in Bombay at this point. Please start a GoFundMe.
Oh my god.
That's a lovely note.
Yeah.
So that
Because
was
how can we predict we know
not
who won.
predict,
We know.
but Of course
Yeah.
you know, but who do you think
I
according to
just
the
because
gameplay?
I
Should have
played-
won
Yeah.
other than me.
Yes, the second best.
Apurva.
I just want the Team Innocence to win because
Yes,
I played
okay.
on Team
Yeah.
Innocence. Now,
Actually, yes, this is a
whoever.
very good question to clarify this. That in this show, there is no person that's a winner.
It's
the
the
winner
team.
is either the traitors or,
Or
the
the
innocents.
innocents.
And the like, nobody can win alone. If the innocents win, they have to win with another,
With another
innocent with them.
innocent.
Right.
And if the traitors
Traitor
win, then
can
they
win
win
alone.
alone.
Traitor can
Yeah.
win alone.
But it's not about who will win as the person, or like I won, or Apurva wins, or whoever wins. It's either the traitors win or the innocents win.
Lovely. So that was a wrap. What a lovely conversation I had with these pretty people.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.